So you've been waiting, I've been procrastinating, but the wait is over. It's the official start to the countdown of Christmas here on the Priceless Pearl Life. Let's get it. Let's go. So welcome back to all of my loyal subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome on today. Thank you all for stopping by for today's video. And as it's been stated, it's the countdown to Christmas 2023. And today I'm showing you my entryway design. And I'm calling it simply Christmas Trees on the Ranch. I hope you enjoy.
I got you. Oh, I have stopped running. There is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire. Don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year. Drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Make sure to stay connected with me on X at Pastor J, the AKA. And you can find me on Facebook and Instagram, both at The Priceless Pearl Life. If you're enjoying today's video so far, then you know what to do. Leave me a big thumbs up and a kind comment below, because you know that's how you help my channel to continue to grow. I'd appreciate it so very much. Make sure to connect those cards as you're adding A, B, and C together. And as you can see, I have someone doing a project at my house, and they don't know I'm in the middle of recording, so they're just chatting.
it's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
So thanks again for stopping by for today's video, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. It's the countdown to Christmas 2023. I've got so much to do and not a lot of time to get it done, but I'm hoping that you will be here every time I post a video to see how I transform my home for Christmas here on the Johnson Ranch. Until next time, you know what I say, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. See you on the next video.